Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and we got lots to talk about. Right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is starting to make a little bit of a recovery. It's back above $29,424. We're seeing Ethereum is above 2,000, so that's pretty positive. And news in the house, so that's kind of positive, guys. And I'm hoping you guys are feeling a little bit more positive about the way things are and the way the markets are turning out. We're seeing that Luna, of course, is sub 1 cent. And it's just a strange and wacky, wacky out there. And we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 8 cents, and so this whole crash. What is really going to happen for the future of cryptocurrency? What is going to be around the corner? Are we going to see more bottoms coming in? Are we going to see a cryptocurrency going down even more? Are we going to see a recovery coming? What exactly is going to happen? And I want to talk to you about that. And I just want to keep this light and casual. I don't want to bore you with any technicals and this and that. And I know that a lot of you that have just gotten into crypto and have been in crypto maybe a year, maybe even 2 years, what we're seeing right now with the whole collapse of crypto because of the algorithmic stablecoin depegging, and because of that depegging of the UST, that caused a run on Luna, and that's why we're seeing Luna has just been decimated and has basically gone to zero. And a lot of people have been hurt by it. Was this intentional? Was it done by bad actors? Or was it an attack on Do Kwon personally, because he became very arrogant? He became a super duper arrogant person after the success of his project. So, you never threaten billionaires, and you never, threaten the internet. So I think Do Kwon, his arrogance is what was his main undoing out there. And, so where do we actually go from here? Like I said, for those of you that are new, this is unprecedented. I mean, for me, even as a seasoned crypto enthusiast, a crypto trader, a crypto investor for a very long time, I have not seen something of this magnitude happen this fast. Sure, we had the Titan collapse where Mike Cuban also invested in algorithmic stablecoin back in the summer of 2021. And he also did get wrecked, and he did lose his shirt. So, a lot of people are hurting. A lot of people are angry. There's still some people who are still in denial out there. There are people that are still, believe it or not, in denial. And they believe that Luna is going to come back from the ashes like the phoenix. And, I'm here to tell you that's probably, 99.999% to infinity. That's not going to happen. We are seeing that the Luna blockchain has, at this point has been stopped. We're seeing a lot of major exchanges starting to delist Luna right now. Binance has stopped all of its futures trading on Luna right now. So, spot trading on Luna is also being delisted on a lot of exchanges. So, that is, the tale of woe, the tale of dread. And, but I'm here to tell you that, in my experience being in crypto 8-9 years, this is not the first time that we've seen these kind of things happen. We've seen these things happen time and time again. This one is a little bit unusual because, normally these things don't happen to large projects like this. And this is the first time that we've really seen something of this magnitude. But I've seen it here before. So I'm here to tell you that, we will recover from this. We always recover from this, and things will be going back up. So you guys have to understand that June, July, we should start to get a recovery coming for the cryptocurrency markets. This is also an ample warning to everybody that it is so important that you have diversification. A lot of people got wrecked because they're not holding any Bitcoin, they're not holding any Ethereum. They're only holding the altcoins, and there's been a lot of users who have just had a lot of Luna and have been totally decimated. People have lost houses, people have lost their life savings, and that's unfortunate. And that is, I'm sad to hear that. I'm sad to that this is happening, but this is life in crypto. Is this the end of crypto? No. We did see the U.S. Tether scare yesterday. It did get unpegged a little bit. It went down as low as 96, but fortunately it's back up again, so that is pretty good. And everyone has to understand that U.S. Tether and UST Terra stablecoin are completely different. UST Terra is an algorithmic stablecoin, where UST is not. It's actually backed by dollars and has some physical assets behind it. And if you don't believe that, you can go to tether.io, send in your Tether, and they will send you back fiat. So that is amazing, right? And right now, you can see that the Tether UST is about $80 billion. So if that was to go under, that would be the end of crypto. So in hindsight, we're seeing that the government has already started to release some articles and press releases regarding stable coins and regulations. So I think what's going to happen now is we're going to see that the governments, particularly the Fed, they're going to start ratcheting up the regulatory framework for cryptocurrency, and particularly they're going to be going after stable coins, algorithmic stable coins, and other stable coins. So this is definitely going to happen. It's going to happen mighty fast. And when we have a lot of huge regulation for crypto, what that's going to do is it's going to probably send the crypto markets down a little bit. But overall, crypto regulation is good. And at the end of the day, once we get a full regulatory framework for crypto, then that's going to allow cryptocurrency to thrive and have a much brighter future, because that's going to allow institutions to ape in like never before. So that's going to be good. So, but we could expect that if we have a ton of regulation coming for stable coins, that this could actually put some downward pressure on crypto, and we could see prices falling even further. Right now we're still seeing that Bitcoin is down. Like I said, I mean, it's recovered from its lows yesterday of almost 25,000 and some change. So we've come back from that perspective, but we're still down slightly today. We're down about 1% at 29,400 at time of recording. Ethereum is bouncing back, as I said, around about 2,000. The Doge Washer, thank goodness that Doge Washer, is a solid project. It's been around since 2013. So the chances of it being a rug pull are probably quite slim and next to none. So it's just amazing that only like a week ago, Luna was trading at $80, and look at it right now. And a lot of people actually absolutely been wrecked out there. They've lost their life savings. So I feel quite fortunate that I did get out of my Luna when it was still just around about $58. So I feel lucky and that I did that. So from that perspective, I missed being scathed, but I know a lot of you are have not been as fortunate. Now I did ape back into Luna as I told you in previous videos, and I basically lost like $3,000, and that's kind of gone. But that's okay. I mean, at some point I did think that there was a slim possibility that Luna could come back, but I was wrong, and Luna is not coming back. Basically, it's going to disappear into infinity and beyond, guys. So, what's in store for the crypto markets? The crypto markets is definitely, we're going to see tighter regulations. That's going to probably cause the crypto to go down. We're going to see that the broader markets are going to continue to tank. There's going to be recession scares. And then we're going to find a real bottom. And, that real bottom could be the previous all-time high, and that could be around about $20,000. So, if that happens, don't be too scared out there. It could happen. But this whole crypto business is about patience. It's about time in the market. And, if you're underwater right now, do not panic sell. If you panic sell and buy back in later, I wouldn't recommend. That's not financial advice, and none of this is financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing the opinion. Just hold and dollar cost average. Bring your strike price down. But this is an amazing time. There's amazing opportunities out there, and what I mean by amazing opportunities, this is a perfect time to be buying the dips. I mean, there's so many still good projects out there. I mean, from my perspective, what I'm doing is I'm picking up more Bitcoin, I'm picking up more Ethereum, and I'm kind of staying out of the altcoins right now. And I'm just going to be dollar cost cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Any of my altcoins that are in profit, and I do still have some coins in my portfolio like Polygon Matic that are in profit right now, and I might be selling 50% of that and moving it into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because when there's a lot of downward pressure, Bitcoin tends to rebound pretty fast, where you'll see that a lot of altcoins will bleed out and lose their value quite rapidly. This might be a good time. Well, for me, what I'm doing is I'm divesting myself from the altcoins, and I'm basically moving most of it that's in profit into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm not selling at a loss, but anything that's in a profit right now, I am rebalancing my portfolio, and I'm moving everything to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's what I'm doing. What you do is you do you out there, but that's what I'm doing, and I think that's pretty sound advice out there from that perspective. So overall, it's been a very tumultuous couple of days. I think that the worst is over right now. I mean, Luna has gone to zero. I mean, the Luna Foundation, they're still trying to save the USD Tether algorithmic stablecoin. Can they be successful in doing that? I don't think so. I think it's too far gone down the black hole right now. I don't think that they're going to be able to do that. I think it's done as a donut. And don't beat me up in the comments, but I just want to be realistic out there. I don't want to be giving you a opioid out there. And but Doge is still in the fight. Doge is at 8 cents. Doge will come back. It will come back, reignite itself. Bitcoin definitely will be coming back. We've seen this before. There could be a possibility that with increased regulation, as I said previously a couple minutes ago, that we could see that affect crypto, and that could push crypto down a little bit. But I don't believe that anything below $20,000 right now. I think that is the absolute bottom. And unless something dramatic happens, like U.S. Tether gets depegged or something like that, I think we will recover from this. Bitcoin and crypto always recovers from this, and time again we're seeing ourselves go down. But we will recover. We absolutely will recover. And I know that a lot of the newbies, this is like a huge shock to your system. And I'm here to tell you, this happens. This kind of stuff definitely happens. And from that perspective, you guys just have to be blessed. Take it easy. Don't panic. And don't do anything silly out there. Don't panic sell. Take a deep breath. Think about what you're doing. And if you do plan to sell your altcoins, look at how much it's down in fiat terms, and look how much it's down compared to Bitcoin terms. And you may find that even though that some of your altcoins are down in terms of compared to the fiat in terms of the dollar, it may not be that far off when it's compared to Bitcoin. And if that's the case, that might be a good opportunity to convert your altcoins into Bitcoin, and that will help you weather the storm much easier than if you're holding altcoins. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a rebalancing today over the next couple of days. I think that Bitcoin will continue on its path. Keep an eye out on regulation. If we start to get a lot of regulation FUD, regulation coming out of the U.S., that will push crypto down, and we may see a bottom of about $20,000 in the summer. So that all depends. If no real regulation pops up, then we'll see a recovery in the summer. If we see a lot of regulation, then we could see a $20,000 Bitcoin coming in June. But I'm not saying that's going to happen. Right now it's 50-50 in terms of which way it's going to go, and that really depends on what the government's going to do with this whole regulatory thing. So and it's pretty interesting that Do Kwon has kind of disappeared. He's kind of hiding under a rock right now. I wouldn't want to be Do Kwon. I'm sure a lot of people are looking for his carcass right now, and so he's probably hiding under a rock. He's probably gone to the North Pole somewhere, hiding under a snowbank. So but I think he owes it to the community. He owes it to the lunatics out there to actually say something. You know, an apology might be nice, but at least something. But you know, he will get his up and comings. I believe there's going to be an investigation starting soon into this whole debacle. Perhaps you know, even charges could be laid and this and that. So let's keep an eye on that. I'll keep you updated on what's going to happen with that. So you know, this is just a quickie, a casual one. Hopefully you guys feel better. Cheer up out there. I know it's been a really rough time, you know, in the house with crypto, but we'll get back up there. And at 8 p.m. we'll have our normal video with our TA and lots of you know, news articles and technical analysis. So that's coming up. Then the next one is at 10. Remember, now this is financial advice, of course. And guys, I would appreciate if you did smash the like, show some love, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're a member, and if you're a VIP member or super channel member, send me a DM on Twitter with your YouTube handle, when you joined as a member, what your membership level is, so I can send you out those private WhatsApp links so you can get on the chat. Because there's a couple members, I think Lester out there, you're a VIP member, sis, and you need to send me that link so I can send you the WhatsApp group. I just want to say, you know, hello to all the new members. Big shout out to Upper Hand, Lester out there, you know, David Ricine, Dragon, all the peeps, you know, out there. We love you guys. Chris out there, you know, Shane in the house, Nick Ann, you know, and everyone that's in the community that's been, you know, with me from the beginning. I just want to say thank you. Keep it up. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one, guys. This is the OG in the house. I'll see you in the next one. Keep on, keep strong, guys. Keep strong, hold the place. We'll get through this together. And crypto is not over. We will absolutely be bouncing back, guys. That's a fact. So let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace out.